In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time market data in TradingView. If you've ever noticed a delayed label on your charts or felt your quotes weren't keeping up with the market, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to enable true live data from the exchanges you care about. Start by opening tradingview.com in your browser. You can do this from any device, and being signed in helps later when you activate subscriptions. Even if you're just browsing, the path to real-time data starts the same way from the home page or the chart page. At the top of the site, look for the main navigation bar and click on Products. This is where TradingView groups its tools and services. We're heading to the section that controls data feeds, not chart layout or screeners, so Products is the right doorway. From the Products menu, click Market Data. This takes you to TradingView's Exchange Data Hub. Here you'll find which markets are included by default and which require an exchange subscription for live quotes. Real-time data is licensed by each exchange, so stocks, futures, and certain crypto venues may have separate options and fees. On the market data page, scroll down to review the available exchanges and coverage. Take a moment to check the details under each listing. The type of instruments included, whether the data is level 1 or deeper, and any regional specifics. Many markets show delayed quotes by default. A subscription removes that delay and streams live updates directly from the exchange. If you already receive real-time data through a connected broker, compare what you have so you only pay for what you need. When you're ready, click Subscribe to Real Markets. This button leads you to the subscription flow, where you choose the specific exchanges you want. You may be asked to confirm your non-professional or professional status, as exchanges price those differently. Fees are typically billed monthly, and you can manage or cancel subscriptions later in your account settings. A helpful tip: subscribe only to the exchanges you actively trade to keep costs efficient. After activation, your charts should reflect live data for the subscribed markets. Look for the removal of any delayed tag and notice smoother tick-by-tick updates during active sessions. If you don't see changes right away, refresh your chart or reselect the symbol from the same exchange you subscribe to. That's it. Head to tradingview.com, open products, choose market data, scroll to find your exchange, and click Subscribe to Real Markets. Follow these steps and you'll be set up with accurate real-time pricing that supports faster decisions and more confident trading.